in business, and this is some research that I found, right? They looked at B2B business people, and they found that higher producing sales professionals speak less. The people that close more deals speak less. They're not concerned about filling the dead air time or continually pitching. They're speaking less because they're listening more. So consider that as something to try, be aware of. If you walk out of nothing else from this workshop, then maybe a little bit of awareness about this, that's a big win.